We are going to make a sour cream beef and noodle casserole. Now we have gone ahead and browned the beef, and all that's in here right now is just some ground beef and onions.
All right, so to that hamburger mixture, we're going to add in some tomato sauce.
And that's just 1 can of tomato sauce, nothing special.
So we've got tomato sauce, we've got a whole bunch of garlic.
That is 2 tablespoons of garlic.
But I like mushrooms. John likes mushrooms, so we're adding mushroom. And then we're going to add in some Italian seasoning.
And that is simply 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning. All right, that looks like it's starting to heat up. I'm starting to see some bubbles in there.
A little bit of bubble.
Okay. You don't need to bring this to a boil or anything. Just need to make sure everything's thoroughly. And now we're going to make our filling. That's simply a bowl and a cup of sour cream. And a cup of small curd cottage cheese.
Now, let's go ahead and tell the people that we don't normally ever eat cottage cheese, but this recipe looked good.
And it is a classic, so we're making it the classic instructions.
So I'm going to try to incorporate the 2 of these together so that we kind of get out some of this lumpiness.
Let's set this aside. Get ready to assemble it all. Here's our pan. Would you like to spray it first?
So we're going to spray it.
A little bit, just to prevent some sticking. And then we're going to put some egg noodles.
That have already been cooked.
We're just going to lay them down on the bottom. This is 12 ounces. Does that look like about half to you?
Yeah.
Now we're going to put in our cottage cheese mixture.
All of it?
All of it.
All of the cottage cheese and sour cream mixture.
Get it on there, spread it around. Make sure it covers everything as best as you can. I think another option would be ricotta.
I think ricotta would probably be my favorite. I do love ricotta, so.
So once you have that layer in, simply going to top it with more noodles. And then you're simply going to put in
The beef mixture.
the beef mixture over the top.
And we normally make mostly chicken dishes, and we actually had somebody say, hey, you guys ever do anything with ground beef? So we decided to show one of our ground beef recipes. We're just gonna smooth it out some. And what is a casserole without cheese?
This is 2 cups of mozzarella. You can also use cheddar if you like.
You can also probably use a Parmesan in this if you wanted to as well. Maybe mixed with your mozzarella. Okay.
All right. And then you're going to bake this for 20 to 25 minutes at 350 degrees. And we'll be back when that comes out of the oven. Okay, so we put this in the oven for 25 minutes and a couple minutes under the broiler. There we have it. It's sour cream beef and noodle casserole. So we're just going to get some out and see what it tastes like. Got a pretty good smell coming off of it. Let's just move this aside, get ourselves a nice big bite of this, and see what we think. Okay. Noodly, cheesy, got some beef in there. All in all, not a bad recipe. On a weeknight when you need to make something pretty quick, give this a try. And if you'd like to see another great recipe from Ghost Host Kitchen, watch this video next.